Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza in a Zanussi oven. First, let's get your oven ready for that perfect crust. Preheat your Zanussi oven to a high temperature, around 220 degrees Celsius, for at least 20 minutes. This ensures the oven is thoroughly hot. If you have a pizza stone, place it inside the oven while it preheats. Otherwise, a regular baking tray works well. Position the oven rack in the middle for even heat distribution. Now that your oven is heating up, let's assemble your delicious pizza. Start with your chosen pizza base, whether it's a store-bought crust or fresh dough. Aim for a size of about 10 to 12 inches. Next, spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly across the base, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, generously add about 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese and your desired toppings. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking tray in your Zanussi oven. Be quick to avoid losing too much heat. Bake the pizza for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You're looking for a golden brown crust, melted and bubbly cheese, and slightly charred edges. Cooking times can vary, so trust your eyes for that perfect finish. Your homemade pizza is ready. Carefully remove it from the hot oven and let it rest on a cutting board for about 2 minutes. This brief rest helps the cheese set and makes slicing easier. Then, using a sharp pizza cutter, slice your delicious creation into 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfect Zanussi oven pizza. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some great car air fresheners and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.